It is now my pleasure to introduce another one of our local funders, Shannon Polk, who is the president and CEO of the Ann Arbor Area Community Foundation. Shannon?
Thank you so much. And I just want to thank everyone here, particularly you, Katie, you, Dr. Mona, for having the vision to bring this here, for all of you that help support this and provide that funding. And to my partner in crime here as we continue to get up to good mischief in the philanthropic circles. Thank you so much, all of you. It's truly a privilege to be here to represent the Ann Arbor Area Community Foundation as we welcome Rx Kids to Ypsilanti and to Washtenaw County. I remember sitting in a meeting of foundation presidents when one of my peers said, guess what we're about to do at the CS Mott Foundation? We're about to launch this program called Rx Kids. Now, many of you know I moved here from Genesee County and from Flint, and my daughter was about that size when the Flint water crisis hit. So this is very personal, important to me because I see so many parallels between that community and the community of Ypsilanti. Now, I am super excited because our mission at the Community Foundation is centered on building a community that improves economic mobility and the quality of life for all the members of Washtenaw County, right down to the littlest one right there. Now, because we understand that when our families are stable, our entire community grows stronger and healthier. That's why this program, and particularly this moment as we determine whether or not SNAP benefits are going to continue, is so critically important. You see, Rx Kids recognizes what research and experience have long shown us. If you've ever been a mom trying to figure out how to get the groceries and pay for the childcare and balance your work needs, I see a lot of nodding heads from people that have been working moms. You know, if we invest early in families and children, it creates lasting impact by providing unconditional income support. And that's one of the most critical things about this, is that it's unconditional. Rx Kids is doing something bold, compassionate, and what we love to support, transformative. Meeting families where they are, giving them the resources they need to build stability, health, and hope. The Ann Arbor Area Community Foundation is proud to be among the first philanthropic partners to help launch this initiative here in Ypsilanti. We see this as a direct extension of our commitment to equitable childcare, to lifting families, and to creating long-term systems that support well-being across Washtenaw County. You see, for over 6 decades, we've worked alongside local nonprofits, schools, civic leaders to make our region a place where families can flourish. But the truth is, no single grant, organization, or funder can meet the need alone. It takes a community. It takes partnerships like this one to make this kind of change possible. We appreciate the fact that this program embodies collaborative spirit. It's a model of innovation and inclusion where public institutions, healthcare leaders, and philanthropy join forces to reduce the burden that families face in their earliest and most vulnerable moments. You heard it today, but just imagine for a moment what it means for a new parent to know that they can afford crib, formula, childcare for just a few extra weeks. Imagine what it means for that child to grow up in a home where stress is being replaced with stability. That's not just a program, that's transformation. For us at the Community Foundation, this partnership is a statement of faith in Washtenaw County and what we can accomplish when we invest in people, not just programs. It reflects our belief that every child deserves a healthy start and every parent deserves support. As we celebrate this today, I just want to emphasize that in order to sustain this work, because we're starting it, but it needs to be sustained, it's going to take continued collaboration from philanthropy, business leaders, policymakers, and neighbors alike. The success of this program in this community depends on all of us standing together to ensure that every family in Ypsilanti and eventually across our entire state can share in its promise. So we're proud to help plant the seeds of this extraordinary initiative, and we're even prouder of what it represents. A community that chooses compassion, innovation, and collective action to create a better future for our children. Thank you.